Everybody want their fragrances to last all day. That's the point of buying a fragrance, okay? That's why a lot of fragrances that last a long time are very popular in the fragrance game. Like Dior Sauvage, Tom Ford Noir Extreme, and also Parfum de Marly's Latin. So if you want to smell good with your fragrances, you came to the right place. I'm gonna tell y'all some hacks and some tricks so your fragrances can last all goddamn day. You know what I'm saying? So you can smell all good. When your girls come, you know what I'm saying, come to you like, damn, you smell real good, and then you can last all goddamn day. So, you know what I'm saying, when you go to work, 8 hours. From the beginning of work to when you're in work, you still smell good. You ain't gotta keep the cologne in your car. You can just go about your day, always smelling good, always smelling fresh. Let's get into it.
I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Tissue Bushi, know I'm high maintenance.
All right, so this is a step-by-step basis. So first, the thing that you want to do is you want to take your ass in that damn shower, bro. You want to wash your asshole. You know what I'm saying? All up in your asshole, wipe up in your asshole, wash your ass, washing in your arms, brush your teeth. You want to get a real clean canvas. Your body is a work of art, okay? You want your body to smell good all day, but your body has to be in the best conditions. Skin has to be in the best conditions for you to smell good and for your fragrances to last all day. So first thing you want is take your ass in the goddamn shower and wash that asshole, bro, because you know you're funky. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure you wash off all the fragrances, whether it's good or bad, off your skin, all the oils, everything off your skin, okay? Hot water, soap, get yourself together, okay? When you get out the shower, that is where, you know what I'm saying, the magic happens. You want to dry off. You knew that. You want to dry off. Now, this is where the trick come in. You want to moisturize your skin. Every fragrance, you know, has oils in it. Okay, every fragrance is oils and alcohol. Think about that. It's fragrance, oil, alcohol. That's all you getting inside these fragrances. That's why sometimes you might get essential oils. All you gotta do is add that little alcohol to it, and that's how they become a parfum. You know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to tell y'all, with that being said, you have to understand that oils and skin, it's like cousins or something. Okay, if your skin dry, oils make love to your skin. So if you spray the fragrance on dry skin, what's gonna happen? The skin is going to suck up that fragrance and it's not gonna last that long. Okay, so if you want your fragrance to last all day, you wanna make sure you get like maybe some Vaseline, some unscented oil, put it on your skin already. So when you spray the fragrance on top of the oil, it sits on top of the oil and it can stay there all day. Also, spraying on clothes, okay? You want to spray it on your fabric, you know what I'm saying? But always remember, dark colored fragrances, like, let me show you, you know, Dolce & Gabbana. You see how that juice is an amber color? You don't want to spray that on white. Common sense. Now you can do what you want to do, but I don't think that's smart, bro. Don't spray it on your white clothes, okay? So you do that with that fragrance, you in there, okay? Make sure you spray fragrances. If you want to spray it on clothes, make sure it's dark clothes. Or on white clothes, you can get away with spraying a clear fragrance like a CK1. Okay, so yeah, that's a good linen, fresh smelling fragrance you can spray on your clothes, and your clothes can also hold in the scent because the fabric is so many, you know what I'm saying? It's the little ins and outs of the fabric that oil get trapped in. And it won't really, you know what I'm saying, dry up or evaporate as easily as if it was just your smooth skin. That's why you can also spray fragrances in your hair if you want your hair to smell good as well. But also remember, if you spray fragrances in your hair, you have to wash your hair out before you reapply some new fragrances.
Chris, how do you apply the fragrance?
Good question. All right, so let me get a fragrance right now that I am about to use because y'all don't even know I'm finna go to work soon, so I can't actually use a fragrance right now. Okay, let's talk about this Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, okay? Real fresh fragrance, good for the springtime, right? Hold on. What I say earlier about the clothes, this is a clear fragrance. I can spray it on my clothes and get away with it, okay? This is how you wanna apply your fragrance. And I'm telling you, a big boss know what I'm talking about. I come around here, I'm always smelling good, okay? Overspray. Don't listen to nobody when they be like 5 sprays. You wanna, you know what I'm saying? Kick ass, you know what I'm saying? So in my opinion, look online and see how good a performance of a fragrance lasts to determine how many sprays you want to use. If a fragrance lasts a real long time, like Dior Sauvage Elixir, you don't need that many sprays. But Dolce & Gabbana, the one light blue, doesn't last that long, so I need a lot of sprays. So we gonna try to get maybe like 10 sprays out of this. So I'm gonna make sure I spray 2 on my neck, upper neck, like ush, ush. Okay, spray it on my chest, ush, ush. That's 4. I'm spraying on my, you know what I'm saying, my pelvic area. Cause I don't know, spray it on your arm, other arm, okay? I also spray it on the back of my neck 1 time, hush. Right now, with them sprays, I think I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? But if you know what I'm saying, I don't really plan on doing nothing today. I just plan on going to work. So I'm not, you know what I'm saying, and I work 3rd shift, so I'm not gonna be around nobody. But if you're gonna be around somebody, around a lot of people, really engaging with people, you wanna add like 2 or 3 sprays for good measure, okay? But like I said, neck, chest, pelvic area, arms, back, you wanna make sure wherever you're going, you know what I'm saying, you smelling real good. And also remember, you can also hit your shoulders if you wanna be a little extra, you know what I'm saying? Now, if you enjoyed this video, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. I just wanted to show y'all how to smell good all the time, look good, taste good for these females, so that's what we doing. Big boss. I love y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends about me. Comment below any other video ideas, okay? I'm Big Boss. I love y'all, and I'm out.
I'm selling that cake. Fuck all the fucking and fuck all the talking and fuck all the walking. Got money to make. Fuck on a bitch and I don't do a date. Came off the streets and I'm paving my way. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Came to the party with no gun. Left the party with a